Evidence Law, quiz number 235. Question number 1. Section 79 of Evidence Act applies to certificates issued by a government officer, certified copies issued by a government officer, other documents duly certified to be genuine by a government officer. Option number 4, all the above. Next question. Presumption as to the accuracy of plans and maps made by the authority of government is contained in Section 83 of Evidence Act. Under Section 83 of Evidence Act, presumption as to the accuracy of maps and plans can be raised in respect of maps and plans made by the authority of government. Option number B. Due execution and authentication of a power of attorney shall be presumed under Section 85 of Evidence Act when executed before and authenticated by a notary, a judge, a magistrate. So, all the above. Due execution of a document more than 30 years old coming from proper custody is a presumption of fact. Section 90 of Evidence Act applies to both testamentary and non-testamentary documents. Presumption as to the genuineness of gazettes in electronic form has been dealt with under Section 81A of Evidence Act. Section 88A of Evidence Act provides for presumption as to the electronic message forwarded corresponds with the messages as fed in the computer. Electronic record in proper custody gives rise to a presumption as to the digital signature to be affixed by that particular person under Section 90A of Evidence Act if the electronic record produced is 5 years old. Section 92 of Evidence Act prohibits admission of oral evidence in respect of a written document for the purpose of contradicting its terms, varying its terms, adding to its terms. So, all the above.